Right now, thousands of channels are posting videos every single day without ever showing a face. No filming, no editing skills, some not even writing a word themselves. It's called YouTube automation. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, the real tools behind it, and the full step-by-step system to build one yourself, even if you've never made a video in your life. Stick with me till the end, because step 5 is where most people mess up and lose the whole channel. Why this works? Curiosity gap plus specificity, step 5, plus accessibility promise, even if you've never made a video. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Right now, thousands of channels are posting videos every single day without ever showing a face. No filming, no editing skills, some not even writing a word themselves. It's called YouTube automation. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what it is, every single AI tool behind it, why each one matters, and the full step-by-step system to build one yourself, even if you've never made a video in your life. I've tested this across multiple channels myself, so this isn't theory. This is what actually works right now. Let's break down the whole system, step by step. Part 1. What is YouTube automation, really? In simple terms, YouTube automation is a channel where the content is created using AI tools instead of you filming yourself. The script, the voice, the visuals, the editing, all of it is AI assisted. But here's the biggest misconception people have. It is not set and forget. A lot of people think you just push a button and money starts coming in. That's not real. This is a real content business. The only difference is you're not on camera. The reason this works so well right now is simple. AI tools have gotten good enough that faceless content can genuinely compete with traditional creators. The voiceovers sound natural, the visuals look polished, and viewers often can't tell the difference, as long as the content itself is good. Part 2. Niche selection. The most important decision. Before you touch a single tool, you need to pick your niche. And this decides everything. Your niche determines your RPM, revenue per meal, how much advertisers actually pay per 1,000 views, your audience size, how easy it's going to be for you to consistently source content. Some high RPM faceless niches that work really well right now. 1. Finance and investing, stock market, crypto, personal finance. 2. AI and tech news, new AI tools, tech updates. 3. True crime and mystery. 4. Motivational and self-improvement, content. 5. Top 10 facts, style videos. Here's my rule of thumb. Pick a niche you can consistently source information for, not just one that's trending this week. Trends fade. A niche you can keep feeding content into for months is what actually builds a channel. Part 3. The full workflow. 6 steps, every tool explained. Now let's get into the actual workflow. I'll break down exactly which tool you use at each step, why it matters, and how to use it. Step 1. Script tools, ChatGPT, GPT-4 or newer, Claude, or Gemini. The biggest mistake people make with scripts is asking the AI to write me a script directly. You'll get something generic and lifeless. The right approach is a 3-stage prompt structure. 1. Research prompt. First, ask it to pull facts, statistics, and reference points on your topic. 2. Outline prompt. Then ask it to build a structure, hook, body points, closing. 3. Full script prompt. Finally, have it write the full script based on that outline and specify a tone and style, conversational, high energy, serious, etc. Bonus tool. If you need deeper fact-checking or research, use Perplexity AI. It gives you sourced, cited information. Step 2. Voiceover tools. ElevenLabs, Murph AI, or Play HT. ElevenLabs, the most natural-sounding voices on the market, supports multiple languages and accents and has voice cloning. Free tier gives limited characters. You'll need a subscription to scale. Murph AI, studio-style interface, easy pitch/speed control, works well for corporate or business-toned content. Play HT, budget-friendly alternative, good for bulk generation. Tip: pick one consistent voice and stick with it across your videos. It gives your channel a recognizable sound identity. Step 3. Visuals. You've got 2 options here. Option A, AI-generated images. Midjourney, the highest quality, most artistic visuals, but it's Discord-based and has a bit of a learning curve. Leonardo AI, web-based, beginner-friendly, generous free credits to start. DALL-E inside ChatGPT. If you're already using ChatGPT, you can generate images right there without a separate tool. Option B, real stock footage. Pexels and Pixabay. Completely free, copyright-safe stock. Video and images. Perfect when you need real B-roll. Which one to use? For niches like finance or tech news, stock footage tends to feel more credible. For motivational or story-based content, AI-generated art is usually more visually striking. Step 4. Editing tools. CapCut or Pictory. CapCut. Completely free, has auto captions built in, ready-made templates and transitions, and it's the easiest option for beginners. Pictory can turn a script directly into a video, text to video, which saves time once you're producing at higher volume. This is where your voiceover, visuals, captions, and background music all get combined into the final video. For background music, use the YouTube audio library, free, copyright-safe, or Epidemic Sound, paid, more professional catalog. Step 5. Thumbnail tool. Canva. Canva has ready-made templates, a drag-and-drop editor, and plenty of free assets. When designing your thumbnail, keep these rules in mind. Use high-contrast colors. Keep one clear focal point. Don't overload it with elements. Avoid clutter. Use large, bold text so it's readable even on mobile. Step 6. SEO and upload tools. TubeBuddy or VidIQ for keyword research. Do your keyword research before you even finalize your title. Then, write a keyword-rich title. Naturally work-related keywords into your description. Add relevant tags based on related search terms. Skipping this step is one of the most common reasons good videos end up getting 0 views. Part 4. Monetization. How these channels actually make money. There are 3 main revenue streams for this type of channel. 1. AdSense, RPM. Ad revenue paid out by YouTube. 2. Affiliate links. Placing product or tool links in your description and earning commission. 3. Sponsorships. Once you hit a decent subscriber count, brands start reaching out. Scaling tip. Once your workflow is dialed in, stop making videos one at a time. Batch produce instead. Write 5 scripts in one sitting, then generate 5 voiceovers back to back. This is what actually lets one person run multiple channels at once. Part 5. The mistakes that kill these channels. Mistake 1. Publishing inconsistently instead of sticking to a schedule. The algorithm rewards consistency, especially for new channels. Mistake 2. Using generic AI voices and visuals with 0 unique angle or personality in the script. Viewers notice this, and honestly, the algorithm notices it too. Mistake 3. Ignoring copyright and AI content policies. Always check YouTube's current guidelines on AI-generated content disclosure before you scale up. This one mistake can wipe out an entire channel. That's the full system. Niche, tools, workflow, and monetization. If you want me to build out a full 30-day content calendar for one of these niches in the next video, let me know in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss it,